right, this is Tanya at MV Property Management. We are doing a home tour today. This is our Walker Village property located in Riverdale. It's a beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath home with a gigantic 2-car garage here. So we're gonna go ahead and go inside. Got some nice landscaping out here. Just get a quick view of that. All right, so when we come in this home, just off to the right, we've got a nice, you could use as a dining area or a front room. We also have this family room right here with a gas fireplace. I'm gonna go left first. So we've got our nice gas fireplace. Down this hallway, we've got our bedrooms, 2 beds, baths. We'll head down that way. We've got this huge cabinet right here, lots of storage, and then that goes into the kitchen. So let's head this direction. Just to the left here, we've got bedroom number 1. Nice shutters, wood shutters. Nice laminate flooring. Big walk-in closet with lots of storage here. That's bedroom number 1. We do have a ceiling fan in here too. Just hit the bathroom really quick. So we've got a tub with a shower, nice granite countertops, and that door leads to the hallway out there. We'll get to that in just a second. So bedroom number 2 is right here. We did just install new carpeting here. Again, we've got nice wood shutters and another walk-in closet. Lots of storage, lots of space in this home. I believe this home is about 1,800 square feet. So just back into this family room area. We've got the kitchen here, granite countertops, tons of cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Get a good view from this end, lots of cabinet space, nice island. And then this dining area, you could use it as a dining area or another front room. So we're gonna head down this hallway now. This is a enormous laundry area. So we've got a kind of a desk area right here, tons of cabinet space. This whole wall is full of cabinets. So you could do like lockers or storage, whatever you want here. And then we've got the washer dryer hookups here. Again, more cabinets, lots of storage, lots of space. And then that door leads to that bathroom. We've got the door right here that leads to the back of the home. Lots of patio space back here. We do have a fence. It is not fenced in, but we do have a back fence here. And then that leads to your 2-car garage right there. Nice patio area. All right, let's head back in and take a look at the master. So just off to the right of this dining front room area, we've got the master bedroom. Again, we've got nice wood shutters, nice new carpeting with a ceiling fan. We have big closet here just to the left and a big closet here to the right. So his and hers closets, super nice, lots of storage, lots of space here. And then we did just install new laminate flooring, our luxury vinyl plank in this master bath. Nice big garden tub here. And then we've got our vanity, Mirrors on both sides, 2 sinks, double vanity here. We've got our shower, our separate shower over here. And a nice big tall cabinet. So super nice. All right, that is our full tour of this home. If you're interested in applying, you can visit our website at envypm.com. Click on rental search and you can submit your application there just right from our website or schedule a showing. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys next time.